Currently it's 6:30 exactly, and I am in the biggest dilemma ever because I am hungry and also it's almost class time, so I do not know what to do. But I really want to eat something, and I also want to attend my class, but I also want to sleep. So if I go to sleep right now, I'm not gonna wake up at 7. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but the ideal thing to do is gonna be eat something and then attend class and sleep. So I'm gonna boil the water and start with it while I rant a little, but each second ago, I'm just gonna do that. So do you guys know about this? I mean, there's this Maggie where you dry it. Like I used to have it in my tiffin. I never used to bring it, but in the lunch box of my friends. So when they bring the Maggie and then you keep it for hours, it completely soaks up the water and it tastes so damn good. If you can't hear me, it's because everybody is honking early in the morning. I can't help it, literally. But yeah. So now that I think of it, I think I should actually make this some chili noodles or spicy noodles a la video, because me trying out the chili noodles, something like that. I don't know. While all of this is happening and I'm doing all of this, trust me, it's a risk to my life because I'm just hoping my mom does not wake up. So, and if you're watching this video, mom. So now that we have Maggie made, let's discuss if Maggie is better than YY. I mean, trust me, do you understand the spices and the chili and the onion garlic oil that YY comes with? Because Maggie is plain and Maggie is, I understand and I agree that the flavored masala or whatever this is, it's quite great, but have you ever applied the YY ka masala so damn nice? This is, I just have it in handy. It's so good. You just need to apply it everywhere in all your foods, whether it's Maggie or it's YY. So my opinion is definitely, I'm just gonna heal right like this because YY is way better than Maggie. Comment down what you like below, and I feel like a 13-year-old YouTuber जो ऐसे बोलते कि guys I'm making Maggie for the first time, comment down below, like, share, comment. I just don't know. I am literally ranting. I literally watched this one video of mine which I made in 2018 or 2019 I think, but it was somewhat 2019 January or 2018 जो भी. And then I watched a video of mine in 2020 January ka, and then I watched March 2020. It was literally a whole new transition of videos, and I was somewhat 2019 January or 2018 जो भी. And then I watched a video of mine in 2020 January ka, and then I watched March 2020. It was literally a whole new transition of videos, and I was so super glad of me. I was so proud of myself because I did not realize how much I've improved and how much I'm learning every day through this process. Siksha, I am proud of you and you do you. I love you so much. Keep doing what you're doing and love you. I love you also for watching, if you're watching till the end, because if you're just watching for the first 3 minutes and then skipping it, what's the point? You will not get to hear my actual rant, right? Maggie is almost made. Let me show it to you. See, I made a mess. I'm gonna mix it, so wait. I think I'm not being able to make Maggie for some reason. I'm the only 20-year-old who does not know how to make Maggie. I did it multiple times. You can also check out my videos for that. But I don't know what to do next. I'm just gonna add some water and see to this. So I'll see you back. I have no update on what's going on, but I'm gonna add this excess red chili, whatever, for spice, and I am not being able to show it. Trust me, I'm adding it. I have tried boiling it for some time, but I don't think the color is coming जो होता है, पता नहीं क्या होगा. I think it's a masala-less Maggie, but let's try it. Now I've left it in the freezer to cool down a little, and now I'm gonna remove all remains of my Maggie packets so that my mom does not get to know. While I wait for it to cool down, let me tell you, it's 6:53 a.m. So we are successful. Also, is this what a morning routine looks like? Because that's mine if it is. I'm not being able to wait for my Maggie, yaar. Oof. It's ready now. I'm gonna taste it and I'm gonna give you an honest review of whatever it is. It's actually kind of a good feeling. My class has started. I'll show you it. And I have Maggie. Good life this is. Honestly, it's not that bad. I'm not a fan of Maggie also, but 5 on 10 for Maggie, but 11 on 10 for efforts. See, again, the point is, if I don't make these videos, how will I react to my old videos wala video 2 years later or 3 years later? Tell me no. But I'm enjoying Maggie, I'm attending class, I'm sleeping, and I'm making a video. It's a great deal, right? So give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.